one.
Hey there, my name's Brady from GreenHOUS. I represent the Motor Technologies department here under our umbrella. Today I'd like to show you the standard pool pump fitted with a Invertek variable speed drive. Here at the moment we have a 0.75 kilowatt pump. This will facilitate the needs of a 20 to 25,000 litre pool. Just like to show you very simply plug and play device. The ability to have a return on investment of up to a year to a year and a half. As we can see now, the pump's running at 30 Hertz. Now, that'll be running at 30 Hertz until the required backwash system is needed in place. Based on 30 Hertz at 365 days a year, 24-hour running time, you're going to be basing your pool pump at a $513 a year running time. Now, if we ramp that up to 50 Hertz, which you'll notice now the pump actually increases in noise and increases in the flow rate. Now with this being said, the pressure is now building up on your exit pipe, which is pumping into your pool, and the internal pipe where the pressure is coming into your main filtration system here. We're then able to see that the water's moving a lot faster, but with an added cost of up to $1,300 a year. So if we just drop that back down for presentation purposes, the only reason why you're running your pool at 50 Hertz is because you need it for backwashing purposes. Whilst the backwashing purpose is not needed, we're then able to drop your pump down to 30 Hertz, therefore your energy savings come into place. So as we said, it's a simple plug and play system where your pump was plugged into your chlorinator. You then remove that, you place the variable speed drive into the sequence where it was, you plug your pump into the bottom, just like a vacuum cleaner, and turn it on. Now what that will do is it will pre-prime the pump for 30 seconds, and after 30 seconds you're then able to see it starting to zone down. The reason why it does that is it has a built-in loss of prime function, so if your motor does lose prime, the motor will then shut down and the variable speed drive will come up with a fault. So you're then protecting your pump against the wear and tear of no water being in there, and over time that will then blow up. We're also then to see, once it does slow down, that you're able to notice that there's a small decrease in pressure. Now what that does is, if you're using a sand filter, you're able to then filter your water correctly without the water forcing its way through the sand filter. It's able to go through the sand and be filtered at a rate which is acceptable for your pool. So in turn you're going to be using less chemicals. Your sand filter is going to have less pressure involved, so it may not rupture, it'll be a lot more safer. Your water's going to be visibly cleaner. You're going to have consistent pH levels, and you're going to have an all-round better pool and better performance out of your pump, whether it be lifetime or just an all-out day-to-day running. Thank you very much. Have a good day.